Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to look at how to create a report card in Microsoft Excel. So you can open our start menu and then we open the Excel program on our blank document where we are going to enter our data. So now these are rows and columns just like I told you in the previous video, and we can type the names. Basically, we need the names in the report card and then the subjects. Let me take the primary level. We have SST, we have science, we have English as our subjects, and then we have our mathematics. Let me shortcut this on our mathematics. So after that, we can get the total number of marks each people has got, and then we can get the average number of marks, and then we can position them according to how they have performed. So this is our report card. So we can save our report card as the here it's saying as sheet 1, but we can save it in a different way. We can delete that one and then we say report card. So this is the report card. Simply we have already saved. So we can also save our report card. We can save here in the documents. Maybe as term 1 report card. You can save in any way you want. So we can save our document. So this is where we are going to enter the people's names and then the marks in each subject, and then we obtain the total and then we rank them. Where I have already a file here to save our time of typing those marks with the names of each people. So we can open. So this is these are the names of the people. We have the subjects and their marks. So we can get the total number of marks. Yeah, let me get the on-screen keyboard so that I'll be typing other things when we are all seeing. Okay, we have now our on-screen keyboard. Alright, so how to get that number of marks? You can come click and then we type sum. Sum means that. Then we can open the brackets. So we can open our brackets and then we can add from B2, that is cell name of that cell B2. So we're adding the marks for rows from B2 to E2. From B2 to E2. E2, then you close the brackets. And then you can press enter. So that it comes in automatically. So instead of typing each, you can just come here, make sure that thick cross sign has appeared. You bring it at the corner here, and then you can drag it down to apply automatically. So our total has been applied automatically, and then now we come to the average. The same thing, we can click equals, and then we type the word average because that is what we want, and then you can open the bracket. We are getting average from cell B2, from cell B2 to cell E2, then we can close the brackets and then you can click enter. So this is the average number of marks, and getting average is the total number of marks divided by the total number of pupils. So the same you can apply. Make sure that cursor has changed it to a thick black cross. Then you can drag it up to here, then it applies automatically. And then now when it comes to positioning is giving them their respective positions. Number one, awarding them the numbers according to their performance. So you can come here, you can click on equal sign, and then this is now ranking, what we call ranking. So we can open the brackets after typing ranking. You can open. So we are ranking from cell B2 me. So here we are using the average, the total number of marks to get the rank. So we are ranking from F2. You can type F2, then you put the comma. And then here we are going to use the $sign to avoid the errors. So the $sign is going to enclose the F. Then you type 2. And then now up to we are getting the position from F2 of the candidates from F2 up to F11. From F2 up to F11. So but the F is enclosed by the $sign. F11, and it automatically shows you where they are obtaining the rank from. So then you enclose the bracket, then you can press enter. So it has already given out the position. Then you can still come here, you drag it down to apply the positions automatically. So we have not seen any error where one position is being given to more than one student. So each person has taken, we have Ryan as the first, other person people has taken the first position, and then Groby as the second, and up to the 10th we have 10 pupils. So that is how we can create a report card. So they have been awarded their positions. Thank you for listening. In any part where you have not understood or where there is want to compliment, you can drop in my comment section. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye. Meet you in the next video.